Jasmine from On a Stampage here. I am doing a quick unboxing. I guess I don't know how quick it's going to be, but I recently had a Close to My Heart party, and my Close to My Heart consultant is the sweet Jeannie Ellis, whose information is down below in the description. And I'm really excited about this box in particular. I have 2 other boxes from that party coming, so I'll probably do a couple more unboxings. But the reason I'm excited about this box is because it contains items from the Christmas in July sale, and I love Christmas, and so I am really looking forward, because I can't remember what I ordered, you guys. I can't. I have too many things on my mind right now, going back to school and all sorts of stuff. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box, and I just thought I'd share the excitement with you guys. So let's go ahead, and I just opened this. Let's open this up and see what all I've got going on in here. Okay, so it looks like I don't have anything that was back ordered, which is good. Oh my gosh. So first thing right out of the box is this beautiful card kit, and this is the Cedar and Pine card kit, and it comes with stamps and die cuts and some embellishments. This is some baker's twine with metallic accents, cards, envelopes, and then different pattern papers. Like, look at this pattern. This pattern is gorgeous. Sorry, you can't really see. There we go. Let's see what other patterns. Oh, look, it's got this green plaid on the other side. Love it. And then just some plain colored cardstock. So I love these card kits. These are super fun to use for quick holiday card making or with like a friend. So I got another card kit as well. I got this Holly Jolly card kit. It is so cute. Like, look at this little elf. Seriously, so cute. So it's this little elf with different elements, because see, he's not like a full little elf. So these different elements can be die cut and put in here, and then there's sentiments. And then again, papers, embellishing thread, silver, envelopes. I also like that they come with card making instructions if you need those. And see, here's a better picture of the stamp set, and then these are the ones that are the dies. And look at, oh my gosh, Elf, you're like nobody. I love it. Oh, so cute. So we've got this awesome like kind of candy cane stripe going on, and then on the back we've got green with white dots. Love, love, love. And then let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take all this stuff out and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got everything out. So I love how they always send like one of their inspiration magazines for whatever like time period you're in. So this is July, August. I really love this Disney stuff. Super cute. So I'm excited to look through this, and ooh, sneak peek, I kind of got these sets. So those are coming, but I love this so that we can have ideas. And then I got this gorgeous spruced up stamp set. I love the little chickadees, and I love the pine boughs and the pine cones, and just a general like winter vibe instead of technically holiday, because then I can use this for way other things. I can use this for lots of other things like sympathy cards and stuff like that. And I think I got a coordinating set, so stay tuned for that. So loving this. And then I of course got the stamp of the month set, because if you buy $50 then you can get this set for $5, or you can buy it individually for $20 or $19 or something like that. But I love all of these darling images. I love this right here to go across, like to highlight words. Oh my gosh, we might play with this one right now. And then I also got 2 of these washi packs because they were on sale for like $2. So I am just loving, like, this is silver and green, red and white stripes, and then the red and white dots. I love washi tape. I love adding it to different things. So these will be perfect for Christmas card making. And since I have 2, I might have to give one away. And then I've got some different ribbons. Like, look how gorgeous this is. This is velvet and it's in the color Julep. I love this color green, and I feel like it could be holiday, or it could even be like springtime, St. Patrick's Day, Easter. Love that. Then I also got some red and white striped grosgrain, which is great for Valentine's Day or Christmas or 4th of July. I mean, even though it's Christmas in July, I could use it for so many things. This is gorgeous. This is black and gold. So this could work for holidays. It could work for Halloween, sympathy cards, so many different things. And then I got black velvet. So I love the velvet. And then I got a bunch of glitter paper because, you guys, I love glitter paper. And these glitter papers are so shiny. I'm really hoping you can see them. I guess they're kind of inside of the packaging, but this is the Julep. So it matches this ribbon right here. So I'm loving this green color. And then I also got white. So I got Julep and I got white. And this white is just stunning because it's got some holographic glitter in it, and then it also has some silver glitter. I just feel like I need to take this out to show you so that you can see a little bit better. I'm hoping you can see that. Like, oh, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Let's do it with the Julep too. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so that's my Christmas in July haul, which I'm super excited about. And I have 2 more boxes of stuff coming, so we'll do more hauls later. But I want to get into working with this set. Basically, all I really want to do is play around with the sentiments and this stamp right here. And I'm not necessarily doing it to put on a card. I just kind of want to play with it. So we're gonna just go ahead and get some clear blocks and play around. Okay, so I put my sentiments on kind of a bigger block. I know it's stained. Go ahead and judge me. I don't know. I'm not, I'm a crafter, y'all. Things are gonna be messy. But I'm gonna just stamp all of these with Color Box ink and licorice. This is a Stephanie Bernard ink. You guys should know by now, I love those inks. Look at how good those stamped. Ignore all the stuff around them, but aren't those beautiful? I love a mix of just like a sans serif font and a script font. It just makes my heart happy, okay? So I'm gonna try some different colors. I think I'm gonna start with some pastel ink. I think I'm gonna do this pastel pink. This is Candy, also from Stephanie Bernard and Color Box. Oh yeah, look at how cute that looks. Oh my gosh, I love that. Isn't that a nice way to highlight just part of the sentiment? And it just looks like a nice little highlighter. Perfect. Okay, where are my wipes? Let's do happiness in yellow. We're gonna do it in this super duper light yellow. This one is called Lemonade. I don't know if you can read that, but it says Lemonade. So let's do happiness and lemonade. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, the light inks look just as good as the medium shades. I'm wondering if we should try something that's darker for beautiful. Do we dare? Do we dare, you guys? I think I'm gonna try like a deep purple for this because purple is my favorite color. So let's get a deeper purple, like not super dark. I think I'm gonna try grape. Let's try grape and see what it looks like on top of beautiful. Okay, what do we think? What do we think? I think it looks good, and it would depend on the color scheme of your card, but you can still clearly read the word beautiful. So I'm gonna say this works for like lighter, medium, and then medium dark shades very well. And then, I mean, you could even stamp this part first, like, ooh, second generation stamping, even more ideas. But you could stamp that first and then heat emboss the sentiment over it. So like if you wanted a really deep red or purple, you could stamp that first, then stamp the sentiment and heat emboss it. So I'm gonna give this stamp set 2 thumbs up, because that's all the thumbs I have. If I had more, I'd give it more. If you want this stamp set, so today is Monday, July 27th. If you want this stamp set, you're gonna need to go place an order before July 31st at midnight, okay? Or rather 11:59. So go to Jeannie's links down below, get this stamp set because it is so cute, and I can't wait to come back and use this beautiful image and color it in, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I know this was a quick video. I know it wasn't usually what I do, but I just had to share that with you, and I also wanted to make sure you guys knew that you were loved today because I'm on a kindness kick and I want everybody to understand how amazing they are so that we can have a better world. And I'm gonna be done with cliches now. If you liked this video, subscribe for more. If you didn't like this video, please consider watching another one of mine and seeing if you like that, because this is not the only kind of video I make. I would love for you to subscribe, like, turn on the bell, do all those things, and come back and join me again. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.